Well, phase 3 of the 2018 spring blizzard. Temperature is right around freezing, maybe a little bit above, and the sun is starting to melt this stuff, so let's see if we can get the rest of this move. This thing started. Get the seatbelt on. Idling right around 1800 RPM. Engine temperature is only 80 now. I'll give it a little chance to warm up. 82. 86. 89. 91. 96. 98. 100. 102. 105. 111, getting close to being able to turn on the heater. 120, 123, 129, 140. Alright, let's see. Alright, gate engaging the PTO. Again, my battery went dead on the camera. I remember to go get some batteries for this thing, so I got extra. But I went in the house, got the other camera, and also got a coffee. So, something I forgot to get when I came out before. Alright, let's get this stuff moved. Okay, note to self. The battery on the camera went dead. I just shut it off, went in the house. But I got to remember to make sure it cycles all the snow out of it before I stop it, because it still has snow in here. When I came back out, started it up, it just always, all of a sudden went throwing snow. What happened, and I guess it iced up a little bit because it is the wind chill out here. It's pretty damn cold. It sheared the shear pin. So here's I got the other, actually D got the other shear pin. Here's the new one. She's going to come out here and I need to get a wrench and tighten it down. But I got to make a note, make sure it's amazing if shear pins would break when ice gets lodged up in there, but it's there for a purpose, so you don't mess up the shafts and PTO and the rest of the stuff, so I guess it's a good thing. Anyway, I just got to remember. Alright, go ahead. I'm holding it and Dee's tightening it. The marriage made in heaven.
How tight's it got to be?
Well, for government work, I think we ought to leave it right there. That's good enough for me. Okay. Got the shear pin in. And the impeller's working again. So let's try to get the snow moved again. our gate. Yeah, I made it to the mailboxes. Oh, they didn't take the trash. Uh-oh. Maybe later. That's enough. I thought too much dirt. Thus ends round 3. It wasn't too bad, except for the shear pin, which, oh, I should remember. I'm sure all the snooze out of there this time. And oh, I'm hoping this is the last round. It is springtime, and at this point I would really like to put the snowblower away. Hey look, chickens like it.